Santa doesn't belong in the tree, but yeah, actually Santa doesn't belong in the tree. I declutter more than I expect, but I hung on to a lot. Don't tell Santa. Santa smells. I don't know what that is. That's going in the trash. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica Lucas, and this is a Christmas declutter. I did not think I was going to do a Christmas declutter. I honestly didn't think I was ready to let go of Christmas stuff. It's my favorite time of year, and it's one of the things that I struggle with. I struggle with seasonal, sentimental, and sale. I really wasn't ready. And then I stepped on a glass ornament on the rug out here in the sunroom. The dog ended up taking a bite out of one of the glass ornaments. I decided I had too much stuff. I couldn't even unpack without it being a safety issue. I ended up putting up a kids tree every year. This is the kids tree with felt ornaments. They can take the ornaments on and off and play with the tree. We usually also put up a grown-up tree with the ornaments, and it's a real tall tree. I think we're just gonna skip that this year because of the puppy. It's just too hard. He gets into everything. So we're just gonna stick with the kids tree. I ended up with 30 bins. I did a count. I had 4 trees. I only used 1. I left the other 3 in the crawl space. And I went through it all. I'm glad that I did. I was actually just going to decorate with a couple of things in the house and then put everything else back up in the attic and just deal with it a different year. But I'm really glad that I addressed it because I ended up with 4 big bins of things to donate that are perfectly intact and wonderful Christmas items that I'm gonna donate to the Domestic Abuse Project in our area. They do fundraisers and I have a storefront, and they start accepting Christmas items after Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna give them that. I ended up with 2 boxes of recycling trash and 3 bags of actual trash, and I'm also donating 3 outdoor lights. I am just going through all of the bins, piece by piece, trying to see what I want to keep, what I want to put out, what I want to donate. My approach of decide what to keep, ask why, donate the rest, worked really well on my basement in the last round, but did not work well on Christmas clutter because I want to keep it all. I ended up keeping about 5 bins worth of stuff that I didn't put out this year, and then put up the empty containers in the attic as well, so that when we package up our stuff this year, we'll have containers for it. So, and when I was unpacking, I found more Ray Dunn mugs. I absolutely forgot that I had these. Holly, Jolly, Joy, and Peace. I put Holly, Jolly, and Peace back up in the attic, and I kept out Joy. I kept out 1 mug. I wasn't quite ready to part with it. Like seriously, this is an empty bag that I put away in this bin. What is the matter with me? And this is just styrofoam that holds those gold Christmas trees. I just shoved the styrofoam back in this bin. Like, what is the matter with me? I can't believe I packaged things this way. Here's a glimpse at the decluttering. Now that I've gone through everything, it's time for me to start situating the items that I do want to put out this year around the house. So in decluttering, I found my 2-tier tray and I decided to leave it for Christmas. And these are all my goodies that I saved and set aside from this decluttering to go ahead and build a 2-tier Christmas tray. I usually pick one theme for each tier when I'm decorating the 2-tier tray. This year I went with Believe on top and the fresh cut trees, or cutting down your own Christmas trees, on the bottom. For Christmas night, why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Girl, why don't we What I need to do is figure out how to just enhance this on the bottom a little bit, some kind of greenery, so it's like they're out cutting trees, and then on the top I think I'm just going to add some cotton balls for the snow. We have a ton of books for Christmas, which I am absolutely not purging. We read all of these. We pick a new book each night out in the sunroom, and we could just sit out here and read books. Thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Right here is a video about Christmas clutter and sentimental and sale, if you haven't seen that yet. And right here is the entire Extreme Declutter video series.